Hi there, I'm Richard Runn with the Leonardo Group, and in a couple of days, next Thursday, this week, we're planning on doing a 4-lesson course on simulation modeling for lean professionals, maybe like yourself. And we've spent years, the last couple of years, working on this tool, this simulation modeling tool, and you're going to get the access to the tool, a 3-month subscription as a part of this course. But I wanted to, in case you were wondering, what is this thing? What is a simulation tool and how does it work? I want to give you, if I can do it, a 3-minute quick tour of what you're going to get and how it works. So basically there are 3 stages to developing a model. First one is the data. So what you see here is the data file. So this is a macro-free Excel file that you would just work on locally on your local PC. And there are a number of tabs, so you need to define the flows, the resources, the schedule, the operators, the products that are going to be flowing through this model. And you define it all in a environment that should be very familiar to you. Now, once you've created your data file, and there's a user guide, by the way, that you'll get as well that walks you through how to do this. Then you go to the web or go to your browser and go to the Lean Design Simulator that you see here. So this is a cloud-based engine, basically. It's going to take your data, it's going to process it, and perform the simulation analysis, and then give the results back to you. So Bicycle Factory Simulation, open, and click on Simulate. There are a couple things you need to add to the model. That's the warm-up time and the run time. And when you're done, you simply run the simulation. Now, when the simulation's done, when it's complete, then you can download the results. So download results file, and this is going to give you an Excel file with the results. So let's take a look at that. Take a look at these results. I have one open here. So you've run the model, and now you can look at things like summary information. What was the throughput? How many orders were completed during that runtime? And the initial schedule that you wanted to run, how many were actually completed? Order statistics gives you a unit-by-unit analysis of when it was started, how long did it take to get through the system, how much time was spent for that individual unit waiting, blocked, being worked on, etc. And then this is the most valuable one, I think. The resource tab will show you by resource, that's by individual workstation and individual operator within the model, the percent of time that was spent working versus waiting versus being blocked, not being able to move the product on. So that's basically what you get. So I'm going to, in an email tomorrow, walk through how you would actually use this to improve a process. But this gives you a quick, I don't know if I stayed within my 3-minute limit, but a quick overview of how this cloud-based simulator actually works.